Good day, my viewers. Yeah, welcome to my channel. On today's topic, we're looking at how to write ionic equation. All right. The following rules should be observed when writing ionic equation. You know, some students find this challenging. Once you know the rules and abide by it, follow it, it will be easy for you to write. Okay, these are the rules that will guide you to write ionic equation. So rule number 1: do not break up gases, insoluble substances, and weakly ionized substance like water into ions, but rather represent them as molecules. 2. Cancel out of the equation any ions which are exactly the same on both sides. Number 3. When balancing ionic equations, the number of atoms of each element and the net charge must be the same on both sides of the equation. Okay. Okay, write the ionic equation on the following. This ion 2 chloride reacting with sodium hydroxide to give ion 2 hydroxide, which is the precipitate, that's solid. This aqueous. So when you see aqueous, it means that is insoluble. Water is a solvent that dissolves that substance. Okay, look at this. This is a soluble salt. You can see that the equations are balanced. Then we're going to break it into ions. Remember, following the rules, we will not break up this precipitate, this solid, this soluble substance. We won't break it up. We'll write it like that. So this ion 2, then chloride ion is what? Minus. But to have to balance the atom, we have 2 atoms of chlorine here, so we'll put 2. So 2 plus 2 minus. There's no charge on this on the compound. Plus. So this is 2 moles of sodium hydroxide. What the charge of sodium is plus. What of hydroxide is minus. This is a precipitate. We will not break it up. So I have 2 moles of sodium. What the charge of sodium ion plus. Chloride ion is what? Minus. Then when you have something like this, you're going to cancel out the ones that appear on the right hand side and right hand side. If they are the same, to cancel out. If they are not the same, leave it. This is ion 2. This one is not ionized. They are not the same thing. We will not cancel it out. This is chloride ion. It also appear here 2 moles of chloride ion. I have 2 moles here. So we're going to cancel it out. Cancel them out. What about sodium? 2 moles of sodium ion. Here I also have 2 moles of sodium ion. So to cancel out. So the ones remaining one, we write them out. So what I have here, ion 2 ion, 2 moles of sodium hydroxide. So this one's already out of the equation, out. So this ionic equation, when you see something like this, if in an exam you ask to write ionic equation, if you write the full equation like this, there's no score for you. So they say ionic equation, write ionic equation. If they say they don't want ionic equation, they want you to put it in this form, and you write ionic equation, it's wrong. So always follow the rules. So if I say something like this, means ion 2 ion means any soluble sort of ion 2. It could be ion 2 chloride, ion 2 1995. This hydroxide ion coming from an alkali, any soluble alkali, sodium hydroxide, potassium hydroxide, to give ion 2 hydroxide. Sorry, this is a precipitate, that's solid. To give ion 2 hydroxide. So let's look at another example. An equation of the reaction between acid and base to give salt and water. This sodium hydroxide, hydrochloric acid to give sodium chloride and water. So I'm going to break them into ions. This sodium hydroxide, what's the charge? Plus. What of sodium hydroxide? OH minus plus Hydrogen ion, for hydrogen, what's the of hydrogen is plus. Hydrogen ion, chloride ion, Cl minus. This is a soluble compound. Sodium ion, chloride ion. Remember, don't break up water. Water and gases are insoluble solid, like a precipitate. Any precipitate, don't break them up. Water, don't break it up. Gases, don't break them up. So anyone that appear on the left hand side and right hand side, you cancel it out. Here I have sodium ion. I also have here, you cancel out. So this hydrogen and this one are the same. Won't break it up. So I'm going to write out the remaining, what remains. Oh, this chloride ion, I also have chloride ion, cancel it out. Cancel it out. So the remaining ones, write them out. Hydrogen ion plus hydrogen ion to give you water. So what means, this is, if I see something, if you see this, to interpret this equation means that hydrogen ion coming from a base, a soluble base, that's alkali, plus hydrogen ion from acid. Hydrogen ion, that's acid, to give water. So anyone who sees something like this, you know that, oh, this is what? Neutralization reaction. Let's look at another example. Okay, look at this equation. Write ionic equation of the following. So this reaction of sulfur 4 oxide reacting with acidified potassium heptaozo dichromate 6. So reaction of sulfur 4 oxide with acidified potassium heptaozo dichromate 6 to give you this potassium tetrosulfate 6 and chromium 3 tetrosulfate 6 and water. So I'm going to break this up into ions. So this aqueous solution, so I mean this compound is soluble. So what's the charge on potassium? Potassium is K plus. But I have 2 atoms of potassium here, put it here as coefficient. Cr2O7. What's the charge? The charge is 2 minus. Remember, in writing chemical formula, potassium is 1. So this 2 you are seeing here is the charge on this on this radical. So which is this 2 minus. Remember, this is gas. We will not break it up. We leave it like that as molecule. So I have 3 moles of it. So this acid, we're going to break it up into ion. So hydrogen ion is plus. But I have 2 atoms here, so put the 2 outside. Never you put 2 plus, the H2 plus, no, it's wrong. So SO4, SO4 2 minus. So this is the product side. This is the product, from here to this product. So this potassium is K plus. How many atoms do I have here? 2. SO4 2 minus. Then I'll break up the chromium. This is chromium 3. This 3 is for chromium, this 2 is for SO4 2 minus. So this chromium 3. Chromium 3 plus. But how many atoms do I have? I have 2. So I put the 2 here. SO4 2 minus. How many atoms do I have? This 3 outside multiplies only what is inside the bracket. So I have 3 atoms of sulfate ion. So you can see 2 times 3 plus is plus 6. 3 times 2 minus plus 6. So plus 6 minus 6 is 0. This component is not charged here. So remember, water, you don't break up water. You leave it like that, as molecule. Water ionizes liquid, so leave it like that. Don't break up water and gas. So next I'm going to do is that the one that's appear on the right hand side and the ion that appear on the left hand side, I'm going to cancel it out. Here I have 2 atoms of potassium, 2 moles of potassium ion. I also have 2, so I'll cancel it out. This one I'll cancel out. This one I'll cancel out. Let's look at the sulfate. The chromium. I don't have this ion. I don't have this one. I don't have it here. On the right hand side, I don't have it. Okay, let's look at SO2. This is gas. Don't break it up. Let's look at hydrogen ion. Also, I have 2 moles of hydrogen ion. I don't have any hydrogen ion here. So let's go to sulfate, SO4 2 minus. So I have 1 here, I have 1 here. It will cancel out. I'll cancel it out. This one I'll cancel out. Okay, so I'm going to write out the remaining ones, but write them out. Cl2O7 2 minus plus SO2 3 moles of plus hydrogen ion to give this ionic equation of this. Write ionic equation of magnesium reacting with hydrochloric acid to give magnesium chloride and hydrogen gas liberated. So let's check if our atoms are balanced. You know, you must balance your atom before you start writing. I have 2 chloride atoms here, 2 chlorine atoms, 2 hydrogen atoms here. Then I'll come here, I'll put 2 here, so the equation is balanced. Alright, so I'm going to break this off. Hydrogen is gas, magnesium chloride aqueous. Remember, solid, insoluble substance, you don't break it up. Anyone that has state of matter is solid. State of matter is solid. Don't break it up. So I have 2 moles of hydrogen chloride. So which means if I break it up, 2 moles of hydrogen ion and 2 moles of chloride ion. So magnesium, what's kind of magnesium? 2 plus. I have 2 atoms of chlorine. Chlorine is 8 Cl minus, but 2 atoms of it will not break up gas. We'll write that small molecule. So anyone that appear on the left hand side are the same. This magnesium and magnesium ion, they are not the same. It will not cancel out. So hydrogen ion and hydrogen gas, they are not the same thing. It will not cancel it out. So I have 2 moles of chloride ion, 2 moles of chloride ion to cancel out. So I'll write out the remaining ones. So when I see this equation, what I will say, magnesium reacts with acid. This hydrogen ion shows that it will come from acid to give magnesium ion. This magnesium ion shows this is soluble salt of magnesium plus hydrogen gas. To the end of today's lesson. Practice more exercise on how to write ionic equation. Please subscribe to my channel, like and share this video so that I get to more people. Thanks for watching and have a great day. Bye.